guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I was tagged in a Vlogmas tag by Alisia Sings. I believe that's how you say her name. I'm gonna put her down in the description box as well as right here on the screen. But she tagged me to do a Vlogmas tag, which it had never been done before as far as I've known. Like she said, this is the first time she's seen it, and all the research that I've done, I've never seen nobody do a video like this as well. So yeah, I'm gonna answer a bunch of questions on Vlogmas and just how it worked or didn't work for my channel. But if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well as Alisia's channel, and let's just jump right into the questions. So question number one was, is this your first time doing Vlogmas? And yes, this is my first time doing Vlogmas. I did Vlogtober, but I never did Vlogmas. And Vlogtober is 31 days instead of 25. So yeah. Question number two was, what was your favorite Vlogmas day? And I want to say, let me look. I don't really remember. I think I got one that came on top of my head, but let me look. Alright, so my favorite Vlogmas day was day 19, where we went to see the process of building our house. And that was just really exciting. They got like more stuff done, and we actually like went inside instead of just like pulling up and like being scared to go inside. We actually went in and searched the house like while nobody was there working. So that was one of my favorite Vlogmas days. And if you hear Colin, he's upstairs just being Colin. But my second favorite Vlogmas day was when I met up with Siobhan, and this is me, Siobhan. Follow her channel, guys. That was really fun day. Like, I really enjoyed that day. It was like a mom's day out. So we, you know, ate, talk, shop, you know, do things mom do. But yeah, that was my second favorite Vlogmas day. Ooh, the next question is, what was your least favorite Vlogmas day? And let me take a look, because I'm not even sure what was my least favorite, because I think all of my vlogs are awesome, right? Alright, so my least favorite Vlogmas day was day 18, which is funny, which was like with me making like holiday drinks. I am not a bartender, I'm not. And like making drinks for me is easy, but like trying to record me making drinks was just like weird and complicated. Like, so yeah, I think that had to be my least favorite Vlogmas day, when I made holiday drinks for you guys, just to show you guys like my least favorite. Question number four was, what was the hardest thing about doing Vlogmas? And I want to say recording in the evening was hard. Like, it gets, you know, it's winter, so it gets darker, and my house just doesn't have a lot of lighting. And yeah, and on top of recording when it's, you know, 4 o'clock and it's getting dark, the pandemic made it hard as well. So a lot of stuff that I had planned had closed, and it just was a different type of, you know, we got to figure out what to do in the house. So that was like the hardest part, I feel like, about Vlogmas. Like, the schedule just changed immediately. So yeah, I like to get out and do more things during the holidays, but with it being everything outside and then having Colin, could only do but so much. I just choose not to do a lot of the stuff I would normally do. So it is what it is. Question number five was, have you missed any Vlogmas days? And yes, I did, guys. I missed day 17, and I did that by accident. So I was already like a day behind. So on the 17th, on the 18th, I was recording for the 17th, or you know, that's just how I was lining up my days. And I actually said when I opened the vlog that it was day 18, which it was day 18, but I was supposed to be recording day 17. So, and then I did all of the back end stuff on YouTube and put in the 18th as well. And then once I uploaded the 18 video, I realized I skipped 17. So it is what it is. Again, I don't stress about this stuff anymore. Like, I missed a day. Like, I was already behind anyway. Question number 6 was, did you ever think about quitting Vlogmas? And I want to say definitely day 3 I wanted to quit. I came into Vlogmas burnt out, like just from regular daily life stuff. So I was like, oh my goodness, like I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Like I'm over it. Like I should stop right now, but I'm not a quitter. So, you know, I just thugged it out and got it done. Like, question number 7 was, what advice would you give someone that never done Vlogmas before? 1, don't stress about it. Like I said, if you miss a day, you miss a day. Your mental health is more important. Your physical health is more important. But also, I guess if you like have to batch record just so you don't get behind. Just do it so you don't get behind. I genuinely don't like to do that. I like to get my videos out on the day that I'm actually doing it, because I post on Instagram that I might be out ice skating, which we didn't do, and I will want to upload that video as well if you've seen that video earlier on my Instagram. Like, so I just like to do things in the moment. But again, batch recording I think will definitely help you stay on track and plan out, like I said, plan out your planning out your December will also help. Definitely have backup videos, just in case you don't get something record and you have another idea. Like I said, we were in the house instead of outside. So yeah, just have those, list more than 25 ideas, plan more than 25 ideas so you won't get behind. Question number 8 was, did you lose any sleep doing Vlogmas or during Vlogmas? And I want to say no, I didn't. No, not like in Vlogtober. I was up and yeah, it's not the, no, it was easier this time. Or maybe I just didn't, like I said, I was already a day behind, so every time. So maybe I just didn't take it as serious. But again, no, I didn't lose any sleep. I didn't stay up till, which I have stayed up till like 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning editing the video to get it out by 10 a.m. the next day. No, I didn't do that for Vlogmas. Question number 9 is, which video is your shortest vlog? And I want to say that was when I went to Baltimore to visit Siobhan from This Is Me Siobhan. Yeah, I was just enjoying her company. Like, I barely picked up my camera. I didn't really record anything. We literally was talking the whole time. I forgot I was vlogging. Like, we just was really enjoying each other's company. We talk all the time on the phone, so it was just like good to like be able to talk to her in public, in person. So yeah, I just didn't even care to vlog that day. Like, I don't know why, but yeah, nonetheless, we had fun. Question number 10 is, are you excited? Vlogmas is almost over. Well, in my case, I'm just getting this video done, so it's over. And yes, I'm glad it's over. But I'm going to be super excited next year when it's time to look back on these videos and see, you know, what we did and how we spent our Christmas. Like, they're just memories, and that's one reason why I do YouTube, is to have these videos as memories for our family. Question number 11 is, what would you have done differently this year for Vlogmas? And again, I probably would batch record. I probably would record stuff ahead of time, just to have it ready, and so you just won't feel like you're constantly moving, like you don't have any, you know, rest days basically, because it's just constant recording, constant editing. But yeah, I would definitely do that. But like I said, I already came into Vlogmas burnt out. I didn't even decorate as early as I usually decorate. So I'm just like, I'll save it for Vlogmas, and that just put me behind, I feel like, in other areas of life. So yeah, back to recording. Question number 12 was, did Vlogmas do anything to help your channel? And yes, it did. It helped with the watch hours. They were higher than November, and they were actually lower than October. So because I had more than 25 videos in October, and yeah, so of course October is going to be higher, but yeah, it definitely helped compared to the irregular amount of videos that I put out, which is 2 to 3 videos a week, which is what I did in November, and then putting out a video every day. Yes, I think everybody should see some increase in their watch hours, if anything. Did it really help my subscribers? No, I average about 100 something subscribers a month anyway, and it was just around that same amount of subscribers, nothing more, nothing less. So yeah, but far as watch hours, yes, it helped. And the last question was number 13, would you do Vlogmas again next year? And yes, I would definitely do Vlogmas again next year. I will come in more planned and prepared, and hopefully the world isn't like it is this year, next year. So yeah, I definitely can't wait to do it again. But yeah, I hope this video helped anybody that is considered being a daily vlogger, or just maybe next year you're doing Vlogmas or Vlogtober, just to give you a little bit of insight on, you know, the back end, because it's a lot. It's a lot. You might get exhausted. But yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I got a lot of fun stuff and just interesting stuff planned for 2021, and I can't wait to go on this journey with you guys. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.